Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing these DIY envelope pillows. So if you ever got to the point to where you were tired of how the pillows on your couch looked and you just felt like it was time for something different, time for an upgrade, time for something brighter, something dark, whatever you feel. If you felt like it was time for something different, this technique that I'm going to be showing you today is an easy way to transform your couch pillows into something new and different. So keep watching. I'm going to show you how I did this. To start out, guys, you want to get a pillow off of your existing sofa and you want to measure the length and width of your pillow. Once you have the measurements, you want to write the measurements down on a sheet of paper. Once you have the length and width all measured out, on the length you want to add 1 inch, and on the width you want to add 2 inches. So here's where I'm adding. So this means that on your fabric, you're going to measure out 22 inches long and 24 inches wide. Once you have your measurements, you want to take your fabric and fold it in half. And from the fold, you want to measure the width and then the length, just like how you see here. The width from the fold and then the length. Here's how that looks after it's cut out. Once you have it all cut out, this is how it's going to look after it has been unfolded. Okay, so once you've cut the fabric out, you want to take your ruler or your measuring tape and measure about 1/2 inch in. You want to mark it just like you see here. The reason for this is because you're going to take your iron and then you're going to iron it down so that it could stay creased, just like you see here. So after you have that ironed and secured down, you're going to take your measuring tape and measure again, but this time you're going to measure 3/4 inch. Once you have that measured, you're going to also iron that crease down. You will have to do this on both of the vertical sides. So you're going to have 2 sides with the folded pleats. Once you have both sides ironed down, you want to take your fabric over to your sewing machine and you want to sew those sides down. Sew those sides down, not show those sides, but sew those sides down. And this is how it looks with both sides sewed down. With the fabric facing right side up, you then want to overlap both ends by 4 inches, just like you see here in this clip. Once you have the fabric overlapped by 4 inches, you want to pin the sides down. That way it'll be more secure once you start sewing. Once you have the pins in security, take the fabric over to the sewing machine and sew it down. This time you're going to use a single stitch and a zigzag stitch. I'll show you how this looks right after I'm done. This is what the single stitch and the zigzag stitch looks like. Once you finish sewing on both sides, here's how it looks. You're gonna need to flip the pillow cover to the correct side, insert your pillow, and it should fit perfectly. This is an easy way to change your pillows, those old pillows that you're tired of looking at. This is an easy way to change those. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Talk to you soon. Bye.